Very good. Are bhai, it is very nice of you to feel that you are in Zoom without being in Zoom. How such a good feeling you had. It's like imagining we are in heaven without being in heaven. Huh? I'm sorry, a little harsh towards you. Doesn't matter, Aditya. We will start our activity. Aditya, please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya. I belong to Motihari, which is situated in Bihar. Regarding my professional background, currently I am working in State Bank of India as a relationship manager. I am having overall 5 year experience in banking industry. Previously, I worked in HDFC Bank for more than 4.5 year as a relationship manager. In State Bank of India, I am also handling a portfolio of wealth clients, which is also known as a HNI clients of State Bank of India. I am also responsible to provide world-class banking services to them and cross-sell different banking products. The minimum criteria of wealth customer is to under this criteria, under this category, those customers comes who is willing to maintain minimum 30 lakh amount TRB value with the bank. So I am handling those customers, and I also provided their financial needs and meet their financial needs. So I am also responsible to manage the relationship with these customers, and also enhance and sell the banking and third party products. The bank has also assigned me a revenue target on my portfolio, which I have to achieve month to month by cross selling different banking product and third party product. I also focus on NTV customers new to bank to acquire new customer from the market. So I am also working on this on acquiring new customer from the market. So for this, I also use different tools, just like a Pro 42 and different type of tool where I will get the new customer to acquire new customer from the market. So I also do this activity in HDFC Bank. I also worked as a relationship manager where I was also handling a portfolio of high net worth customers. I was also handling a preferred group customers in which under the preferred group those customers came who is maintaining minimum 15 lakh TRV value with the bank. Where I also manage the relationship with the customers and cross selling different banking product and third party product to them. Regarding my educational background, I have done MBA in marketing specialization from James Rohini, Delhi. I have done BBA from Bihar University, Muzaffarpur, and I did my schooling from DAV Public School, Motihari. So far, my family background concerned, there are 4 members in my family: my parents, one sibling, and me. That's all about me, sir.
So you are in scale 1 now in State Bank of India, or
No,
contract,
sir,
or
contract,
Oh,
contract.
oh, that is the reason you want to jump to this. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Good. Your profile is very good. Profile is
Yes.
nice. How many years you have served in banks?
Sir, I am having total experience of 5 years. In HDFC Bank, I served 4 years, 7 months, and in State Bank, I served 1 month only.
What is your age?
My age is 27.
Acha, in the border. You are in the border. Good, good, good. Excellent. You will be given preference to, no problem about it. Now, can you please tell us what is the difference between current account and savings account?
Sir, saving account is those account which is used by any individual and person to save their money and get a little bit interest from their deposit. And current account is those account which is used for only businessman to run their business transaction through that account. Because in saving account, the bank is not allowed to do more transaction. That's why businessman for current account is only used for a businessman. We cannot use a saving account. So saving account is only used for a saving purpose and to get some interest from their deposit by the customers. And current account is used for a business purpose to do their run their business and do daily transactions, business transaction on that account.
But could you not have added some more points, like say savings bank, some interest, current account, no interest, that is okay.
Yes,
And the savings bank account is open only by individuals, current account by proprietor, partnership, limited companies also. And
yes.
overdraft facility is available in the current account where the people can take overdraft, excepting in the case of basic savings bank account, ये सेविंग्स बैंक में आपको ओवरड्राफ्ट नहीं मिलता है. वेरी गुड, दैट्स ओके, फाइन. You were talking about cross selling, cross selling, cross selling. What is cross selling?
Sir, cross selling is the matlab is the product where just like if you are handling a portfolio, I give an example. If I am handling a portfolio, then I am also managing the relationship with the customers, and I know their needs, what the customer want. So as per their need, in bank there are cross selling of. If I also acquire a new customer from the market, then I also open is saving accounts. I also, if I acquired a current account customer, just like a business customer, then I also open a saving account and current account of that customer. Apart from this opening account, if I will sell just like a insurance and other third party product, just like a mutual fund investment product, then that product is related to the bank, is a cross sell product. How I cross sell apart from their needs of customers. If a
How do
customer needs a, if a customer is having a need of saving account and current account, then that is the need of customer, that customer wants to open that account. But apart from the need of customer, how those product I will sell to the customer, that product comes under the cross sell product.
how many people are working under you?
In my interview, two staff are working, that they are a CRE. They also gave a document. They also provide a document. They also take the documentation process of when I acquire any customer, I manage any customer. Then if I will, if the customer want to door-to-door service, then I will also send to my CRE staff to take a documentation and fulfill the documentation process of any particular customers regarding documentation.
What is CRA stuff? I couldn't follow.
CRE sir is just like a customer relationship executive, stand for. It
That's it.
is a staff who also assisting the relationship manager. Just like a I if I reached any customers, if I went the house of any customer, he needs some documents, he needs some statement. So on that time, I also called my CRE to please provide a document and provide a service to the customer by door to door. So it takes the documentation and door to door and provide door to door service to my portfolio customer.
Excellent. That's really good. But in spite of all this, कभी कभी हम लोग का पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स, स्पेशली स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, लोग सुन रहे हैं that service is not good. Why? What is the reason for this? For example, I have a PPF account with our State Bank of India. And when I want a statement of account, nobody sends it to me. All that I do is I go to some student of mine who has got into State Bank through me. उनको पूछ के उनसे बोलते हैं प्लीज अरेंज टू सेंड इट टू मी. ऐसा करना पड़ता है. क्यों सर्विस इन स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर बैंक्स इज appearing to be low? Is it the workload or is it the lack of interest on the part of the staff members?
Yes, sir. I also think that bank also focus nowadays when a wealth management department came in 2016 to boost up the service of the bank to any customers or any customers. I also agree that there is some lack of service issue in State Bank of India. So due to a high workload and lack of employment, lack of employee in the State Bank of India, because in State Bank in every year uh, more than 2000 to 3000 staff will be retired, and the new recruitment is only 500 and 1000. So there is a lack of staff and in State Bank of India as per their customer base. And nowadays there is a one person works of a 5% work. So there is a lack of service. I know that in State Bank of India, but State Bank of India also focus into improve their services by also it also came with the new wealth management department and the new program Premier Banking Launch Program to provide a better and world class quality service to the customers. So the bank also focuses on these parts and also work on this part to hiring a new candidate from the private sector bank.
Why did you join as a contract person? Could you not waited for some permanent job? What made you decide about this joining? Of course, you got some salary increase. Okay, fine. But from that, why did you join? How long have you they have taken you? 5 years. How many years?
Yeah.
5 years only, na?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I also joined State Bank of India. I also know that this is a contractual job, but sir, I am also getting some monetary benefit when I joined. So, and the other part is that I also worked in a private sector bank. So it is a very good opportunity for me to get a exposure of public sector bank, how public sector bank its works, and how public sector employee its work, and how is their customer base. That's
Don't
why this is
do not tell this reason. If you tell this reason, Federal Bank will tell you continue to work there.
no, yes, sir.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
So थोड़ा carefully answer करना है इस point को. See, your profile is the best profile among so far I have come across. Your profile is very good, but your
Sir,
communication
sir,
communication skill in English is okay, 75 to 80%. But knowledge wise, आपको banking knowledge wise अपना इतना deep पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है पता नहीं हमको, because you have been in banks for so long and there is no need for you to read things. So that is the basic problem with you. Now, can you tell me about YONO app of SBI?
Sir, YONO app is the mobile banking app of platform which we provide in a saving and current account to their customers. Through YONO app, you can also transfer money. You have also option to update your mobile number. You can also update your email ID through YONO app. So YONO app is the facility, is a digital payment facility that State Bank of India provided to our customers, through which they can also transfer money. They can also update their addresses through YONO app. They can also avail loan through the YONO app, because the bank also provided a 10-second loan and in the form of personal loan and auto loan. So through YONO app, the bank want the main focus of this app to do less transaction through the branch. The customer also focus on digital payments. So through YONO app, we can easily work, and you can easily work through a digital mode.
Okay. You have been preparing very well. Anyhow, thank you so much. We'll meet again after the dates are announced. However, you go through, are you familiar with Federal Bank figures? What is the total profit of Federal Bank for the last quarter?
Sir, I have applied for Bank of Maharashtra Business Development Officer, not for Federal Bank, sir.
This you should have told me. I am confusing you with this. So that is why the problem is. So now tell me about Bank of Maharashtra business figures as on 30th June. Sorry.
Sir, Bank of Maharashtra has a remarkable growth in their overall business. The bank has also recorded 95% growth in comparison to last financial year result of June 2022. In the last financial year, the bank overall profit is 442 crores. 482 crores, and now in this financial year of result of June 2023, the bank has overall profit is 882 crores, and the bank overall deposit and advances also grow with nearly 25% growth in both deposit and advances. The bank's deposit has also increased with 24.97%, with uh, 2,44,754 crores, and the bank gross domestic advances also grows also growth with 24.83% with 1,75,676 crores. The bank's NPA is also
Okay. Okay.
net
Okay, sufficient. Now coming to relationship manager, can you recollect one successful experience where you canvassed for where you canvassed an account for the bank after visits of 2 or 3 visits?
Yes, sir. I also tracked. I also got different market, different calls. So one call is very measurable for me. It is very important. It was very important call for me, which I was achieved in 2021. When I also approached a customer, which is a very high net worth customer of Grameen Bank. They are also having a loan in Grameen Bank of 5.5 crores. They are the in Bhagalpur. That customer was the big customer for the Bhagalpur location, and they are availing a loan of 5.5 crores in from the Grameen Bank. I also approached that customers. Then to came and open account in HDFC Bank. So I also follow up continuously. I also uh, I also did meeting from many times, and I also convinced him. I also convinced that the can you transfer your loan in our bank, and our bank will provide a different type of facilities like a payment solutions and different type of payment solution like a CMS facility, cash management pickup facility, uh, and innate facility in which you can also make a payment. We also provide a different digital platform in comparison to that the service that you will get from the Grameen Bank. So I also made different
So,
call.
hello,
Our
but your answer is very lengthy. You can shorten it to half the time and tell that you could achieve success. So briefly बोलना है, आप थोड़ा लंबा बात बोलते हैं. आपको बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र होगा तो आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. And so you will be able to succeed. You are doing very well. There should not be any problem for you. आपने कुछ CIB, JIB वगैरह कुछ पढ़ा है, नहीं पढ़ा है? पढ़ने का
नहीं
शुरू
सर,
किया है, नहीं किया है?
अभी नहीं किया सर.
क्यों नहीं शुरू किया? आपको JIB पढ़ने के लिए शुरू करने से तो आपको थोड़ा नॉलेज भी बढ़ जाएगा ना. अच्छा जी, फेमा का मतलब क्या है जी?
सर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट है.
वेरी गुड. फेडाई का मतलब क्या है?
क्या सर?
फेडाई, फेडाई ये
फॉरेन
फॉरेन एक्सचेंज डीलर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया. Foreign
फॉरेन
Exchange Dealers Association of India. Best of luck. So you prepare which date is your interview date announced?
No, sir. Currently, date will not announce, but it will approximately on after 27th.
Achha, anyhow, best of luck. Thank you. You did well. Your interview as it is was very good. I think पहले भी हम लोग बात किया है. कल ही
Yes, sir.
फोन से बात किया ना क्या? व्हाट्सएप से?
व्हाट्सएप से किया था सर, और लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने आपको इंटरव्यू दिया था, उसमें आपने 8.5 मार्क्स दिया था मुझे.
Good, good. You are doing very well. This time I will increase it to 9 out of 10. Best wishes. Wish you
सर
success.
सर वन थिंग
Attend the interview and send me the list of questions they are asking you.
वन थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क सर, ये जो आपने मैंने एक आंसर दिया था उसके लेके मैं खुद टेंशन में था, जो आपने अभी पूछा कि अगर वो पूछते हैं कि आपने जानते थे कि स्टेट बैंक कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल जॉब है, तो फिर आपने क्यों छोड़ा अपना HDFC बैंक? क्योंकि स्टेट बैंक में जो 1 मंथ ही हुआ, इसका आंसर मुझे क्या देना चाहिए सर?
You can tell that HDFC say there was an increase of 20%, 30% salary. So I opted for it. And the only thing is HDFC job is a permanent job. And HDFC so far has not been sending people out, correct?
Yeah.
So we are under those circumstances, how to justify this? So only reason out is I wanted a larger exposure in terms of different sectors in which I was not exposed in HDFC. And probably this will give me a better experience to get over to other bank. That's why I'm available for you now. Okay.
और सर ये अगर बोलते हैं कि सर कि I also worked in public private sector bank, then I will also get I also getting the opportunity to work in a public sector bank. That's why sir that's why I switched from SDFC to
No. That is no reason. For you, a temporary person, private होने से भी same है, public होने से भी same है. मैक्सिमम टेंशन थोड़ा कम होता है पब्लिक सेक्टर में, हो सकता है, बट वो बोलने से वो सोचेगा यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. समझ गया?
या तो ये हाइक के बारे में बोल देंगे सर, और आई वांट to get a large exposure.
Yeah, different type of industries exposure. I was getting taught, I was exposed to a small section of society in HDFC. Once I came to State Bank of India, I get a better exposure of people from different walks of life. And that gives me a better experience to brighten my future. That is why I accepted this, though it is a temporary job.
Okay.
Thank you. Please attend the interview. Send me the questions. Thank you. Thank you. Best of luck. Bye.